Yeah, very important 2 marks and 3 marks integration questions we'll discuss today. So today's class, whatever questions I am discussing in that, at least you will get 1 3 marks and 1 2 marks. I'm not sure 5 marks, but 100% 1 3 mark question or 1 2 mark question will come. Integration, we have many questions. So some important questions we'll discuss. Okay, today. It's like a part 1 in integration class. Integration. 2 marks and 3 marks. Previous class already we discussed the formulas. So if anybody missing, you can see the previous videos also. You have a formulas list. So the first question what we are discussing today is integral 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. Integral 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. Everybody see solution very simple. Integral 1 you can write as sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. 1 I wrote as sin square x plus cos square x, denominator sin square x cos square x as it is. Next, very simple. Separate the terms. Sin square x by sin square x cos square x plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x dx. Integral sin square cancel. 1 by cos square x plus cos square x cancel. 1 by sin square x dx. 1 by cos square means secant square. Integral secant square x dx plus integral cosecant square x dx. Dear students, I already explained in formula what is integral secant square x. See in the formula list, we have formulas with you. Everybody, before solving integration questions, always keep formulas with you. Yes, Neera. What is integral secant square x? Tan x, correct note. What is cosecant square x?
Minus dot x.
Minus cot x plus c. Very simple. Repeat once again, everybody. In the question, numerator 1 is there. In trigonometry, we have formula. 1 means sin square x plus cos square x. Separate terms. Sin square x by sin square cos square x. Cos square x by sin square cos square x. Sin square cancel. Cos square cancel. 1 by cos square means secant square. 1 by sin square means cosecant square. Integral secant square tan x. Integral cosecant square x minus cot x plus c. If integration problem completed, you write at last plus c. What is meant by plus c means? It is called arbitrary constant. Okay, copy this. Very important for 2 marks. Completed. Can I put another question? Question number 2, integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. It's also 2 more question, dear students. Integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. It's a trigonometry related questions. What is 1 minus cos x? We don't know, but I know. 2 sin square x by 2 by. Now what is 1 plus cos x? It's a guess. 2 cos square x by 2. 2 to cancel. Sin by cos, tan square x by 2. We don't have any formula for tan square x by 2. So, tan square x by 2 dx. Tan square x by 2 write as secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. In trigonometry we have formula. Tan square theta means secant square theta minus 1. Correct? So tan square x by 2 means secant square x by 2 minus 1. What is integral secant square x? Tan x. Correct now formula? Integral secant square x by 2. Tan x by 2 by 1 by 2. Minus integral 1 means x plus c. Sir, why this 1 by 2, sir? Secant square x means tan x. But here secant square x by 2. So tan x by 2. X by 2 derivative 1 by 2. Write in denominator. While doing differentiation, we are multiplying in chain rule. While doing integration, you are writing denominator. 2 will go to numerator. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. I repeat one more time, dear student. It's a formula based question. 1 minus cos x formula 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2. 2 to cancel. Sin by cos tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2 we don't have integration formula. But in trigonometry, tan square x by 2 means secant square x by 2 minus 1. Integral secant square x by 2. What is the formula? Tan x by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 day integration x. 2 will go to numerator. 2 tan x by 2 minus x. Right, slowly. Right, everyone? Right, everyone? Completed. Done. Next question. see the next question. One good question, one more. Cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x. Integral cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. How to solve this question? I will say some formulas to you. Listen clearly. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Correct? Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x dx. Any idea? I have idea. Cos x minus sin x by 1 you can write as cos square x plus sin square x, okay? Plus 2 sin x cos x dx. First step in place of sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Second step 1 I can write as cos square x plus sin square x. Already in first question also you don't know 1 means cos square x plus. Now integral cos x minus sin x by a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square dx. Now we can use substitution method. Denominator is there in numerator. Okay. Let cos x plus sin x is t. Differentiate with respect to x. Cos x divided to minus sin x. Sin x divided to cos x is equal to dt by dx. Cross multiply. Dx is equal to dt by cos x minus sin x. Now, in the given question, numerator has to is cos x minus sin x. Denominator, this is t. So, write t square into dx means dt by cos x minus sin x. This term cancel. Integral 1 by t square dt minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t means what? Cos x plus sin x plus c. Here, integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x formula. If you didn't write in formulas, you write it. Integral 1 by x square formula. Minus 1 by x. So, similarly, integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. T means what? Cos x plus sin x. I'll repeat once again, everybody. In the first step, numerator as is 1 as is sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. The second step, 1 you write as cos square x plus sin square x. Numerator as is a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. This denominator cos x plus sin x you consider as t. After differentiate minus sin x plus cos x. Then dx is dt by cos x minus sin x. In place of dx, substitute the value. Term cancel. This is t. 1 by t square minus 1 by t. T means cos x plus sin x. Understood? Important question. Copy it, everybody. Is it 2 marks or 3 marks? You are not sure, but they may. Understood, everybody? Online people?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Tanushri Patil?
Yes, sir.
Done? If anybody say yes means I will continue. Otherwise, it's like that. Trigonometric questions, chapter 5, Right, one more question. Tan cube 2x into secant x dx. Secant 2x dx. Tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. Analysis question. Integral tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. 5 answers. 4, sir. 4. Integral tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. How to solve this question? Do one thing. Tan cube write as tan square 2x into tan 2x into secant 2x dx. Tan cube I wrote as tan square into tan. Possible no? Tan square theta formula secant square theta minus 1. Secant square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x into secant 2x dx. Trigonometry formula. If you don't know, also no problem. No, you remember. What is tan square theta? Secant square theta minus 1. What is tan square 2x? Secant square 2x minus 1 into this term as is. Let secant 2x is t. Differentiate with respect to x. Secant 2x means secant 2x into tan 2x into 2 is equal to dt by dx. From this, what is dx? dt by 2 secant 2x into tan 2x. Now, in the given question, dear students, this is the given question. Secant 2x means t square minus 1 into tan 2x into secant 2x into what is meant by dx? dt by 2 secant 2x into tan 2x, correct? This term cancel, this term cancel. 1 by 2 outside. Integral t square minus 1 dt. 1 by 2 into what is integral t square? t cube by 3. What is integral 1? T plus c. 1 by 2 into, what is t means? Secant cube 2x by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. This is a very big question and important also. In the first step, dear students, tan cube I wrote as tan square into tan. Again tan square I wrote as secant square minus 1. Secant 2x I can just t. After differentiation, secant 2x means secant 2x into tan 2x. 2x divided to 2. Many people will forget this 2. Cross multiply dx or transfer this term to right hand side. In the given question, secant square means t. T square minus 1. This term cancel. 1 by 2 outside. T square integration. X square integration x cube by 3 I said no. T square integration t cube by 3. 1 integration x. Here dt, no, that's why at t. In place of t, secant. Secant cube to x, secant to x. Very, very important. Copy everyone. So you can copy on one step. Any step doubt you can ask. And cube to x. Cube. Next step.
Can you repeat the last 3 steps, sir?
T square integration. T cube by 3. 1 integration t. What is meant by t? Secant 2x, no? So secant cube 2x by 3. T means secant 2x. Clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this cancellation you have done, no, sir. T square minus 1 there. Where did the two go, sir?
1 by 2 outside.
Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Again cancel 2. 2 I got outside. Slowly you can copy. Important questions. Suppose mistake 1 mark correct. Small mistakes. Important. Completed? No, sir. Do slowly, no urgent. No emergency. On file I am sending. Completed. Can I go to the next one? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. One question paper I sent to you in the WhatsApp, just please check it. It's after modification of the syllabus, they given one model question paper. That one is. One very, very important question. Integral tan power 4x dx. You may expect this question for 2 marks 100%. Integral tan power 4x dx. Integral tan power 4x dx. Tan power 4 I write. Tan square into tan square x dx can I write now? Tan square x means secant square x minus 1, correct? Dx. Multiply tan square into secant square x dx minus integral tan square x dx. This term into this term minus tan square x into 1 tan square x. This is as it is you write. I will say one shortcut formula for this. Minus integral tan square x means secant square x minus 1 dx. Actual formula is there. Remember this formula. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This tan x derivative how much? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. It is f of x, this is f dash of x. What is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means tan square x power 2 is there. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means directly under tan cube x by 3 minus integral secant square x tan x minus into minus plus integral 1 x plus c. See one more time. Tan power 4, cot power 4, sin power 4, cos power 4. Out of these 4, one compulsory. Many times they given tan power 4. It is a repeated question. Tan power 4, write tan square into tan square. Separate. 1 tan square, write secant square x minus 1. Multiply. Tan square into secant square x dx minus tan square into 1 tan square. This is as it is. Tan square x again secant square x minus 1. Tan x derivative secant square x. This term derivative is there beside. For this power 2 is there. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Suppose for this tan power 5x is there, let us assume. Then what is answer? Tan power 6x by 6. Like that. Tan square x or tan cube x by 3 minus integral secant square x tan x minus